Welcome to Happy Gardener. These are the very good smelling flowers, angel's trumpet. You can see more than 20 of them. I'll be showing each one of them one by one. We are starting now from here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29, we got 30, 31, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 36, 37, 38, smelling good, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 62, 63, 64, 65, 65. So you've got, maybe I would have counted a little less, there are around 70 flowers. I'm taking you full view of all the things. Look at that, how it bloomed. This is wonderful and smelling so good. So, and it's one night you are seeing 65 to 70 flowers blooming for a single angel's trumpet plant. Wow! Enjoy our video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. It is wonderful, wonderful. So I'm taking a full view, including a plant, one more time for you. Wonderful. Yes, nobody would believe that there are 65 flowers to this angel's trumpet. This is wonderful, wonderful thing. I'm sure you are all enjoying this video. More to come, more to come. Subscribe to our channel and we'll update you soon with much more good smelling flowers. Ooh, this smell is so good.